Hey everybody, my name is Mike from Quality Pieces, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the new RollerSki X. Designed, tested, and assembled in Canada, the RollerSki X was developed to perform in unforgiving winter conditions because that's where it has to work every time. The RollerSki X was developed on over 17 years of rider experience and feedback. With compatibility for 12 of the most common skis at launch, the RollerSki X has a hand-free activation pedal that allows you to step on the pedal and activate the roller ski as easy as possible. We also included a brand new locking mechanism that keeps the wheel down when you're riding at all times in the most crucial moments. Activation is now simpler than ever. The new pedal system allows for quick, reliable activation no matter what's on your feet, how much snow there is on the ground, or what position your skis are in. The pedal was designed to take repeated use, rough handling, and all temperatures that you could possibly imagine throughout the winter. This is why we opted for a steel structure combined with a composite interface. A new locking mechanism also keeps the wheel activated when you need it, and is easily activated with the foot or the hand. This added feature allows you to enter the trailer or garage with the full confidence that your wheel is going to stay down until you decide it's time for it to come up, and it won't come up if it's locked down. And like every part of the RollerSki X, it's engineered to stay functional no matter the conditions and even after a season of use. The RollerSki X was designed with dealers and users in mind. With standardized design and components, we've simplified installation and serviceability as well as reduced inventory risk for all of our dealers. Every component of the RollerSki X is made from carefully selected materials chosen to balance strength, weight, and design. The system is assembled right here in Canada, ensuring consistent quality and attention to detail at every step. There's no cutting corners at the expense of durability on our product. It's about building something that lasts. The RollerSki X is built to take a beating. We built it for the harshest of winters, and most importantly, we built it with snowmobile riders in mind. RollerSki X by Quality Pieces, designed, tested, and assembled in Canada. Built to perform season after season, we reinvented the wheel.